Okay, I've decided to make a video about my layout that I'm building. This is slightly different. So we are starting off with a toolbox. Stanley 24-inch Series 2000 toolbox. If we open it up, whoops, camera, great start to the video, isn't it? Right, open it up. It's cost of around about £20. In the top is the start of a model railway. So there's in the top tray that lifts out. Put a baseboard in, basic timber frame with plywood top. I've got a bit more information about that on my modelling blog. If anyone is interested, I'll put a link in the description of the video. But that top tray gives me a space of about 20 by 8 inches. And so in the top I've started to build a small N-gauge shunting layout. This is an ingle-nock design, which is a shunting puzzle. Usually you would start out with a number of wagons in there. Shuffle a load of cards which match up to the wagons to decide which order you want to place them. It's a slightly condensed version due to the amount of space I've got. But this particular one, in this front siding, there's space for 2 wagons. There's 2 wagons in there, and then that one will fit 3 wagons. It's obviously short wheelbase 4-wheel wagons. Then the head shunt itself is long enough for 2 wagons and an engine. So what I've got so far is code 55 Pico track, and then I've also installed some magnets there already. You can see those. They are for the uncouplers, for uncoupling the couplings, I should say. Planning on using the dapple couplings, kind of like knuckle couplers. There's a magnetic pin on them to uncouple them as the when you need to. And to operate the point, because again these are electrofrog points, live frog. I've got to change the polarity of the frog. I just get something to point with. Frog sections here all need polarity changing depending on which way the point blades are set. So for that I have used a Mir control system from Litchett Manor Models that has these little angle cranks in here, a short length of wire in a tube there, and then each of those wires then go up here to a couple of slide switches. So by pulling the switch in each direction, changes the point there. That one does that one. That one does that one. Really not doing very well with this video. There we go. Just see those there. So those slide switches change the polarity of the frogs, and then obviously the wire goes through the angle cranks to do that. So this is where I'm at the moment with the layout. It works electrically. The 2 wires coming out here need to go to the controller. The plan is to have a couple of connectors mounted somewhere on the board, and then they will be disguised by scenery. The overall plan is that the scenery will be removable. So, because obviously once the lid goes down on the layout, there isn't much height for scenery. So the plan is to have a couple of buildings, warehouse-style buildings, one in the corner over here, hiding the switches, and another one over this side, somewhere on the corner, just to give a backdrop. Then to disguise the handle in the middle, I was originally going to modify some warehouse buildings, but looking at what was available, they all looked a bit big really. Didn't know how easy it would be to modify them. But what I did find for the Metcalf models is a bus or transport depot kit, and there is a section of it there, and that fits over just perfect, really. Can't really see a lot. Obviously there'll need to be some more work done to disguise the handle completely, but that's the plan. Fits over quite nicely. So the design of the kit gives you basically 4 buildings, all basically the same modular design, but you can have different openings in, or blank top walls. So the plan there is I will be able to fit 3 across there, and there should still be space for the other buildings. So we shall see how that goes. See how well this video turns out as well. When I play it back, it could be absolutely rubbish and I won't use it. But yeah, if the video does work, then I might make a few more. We shall see. And that's basically where we are at the moment with this layout. Certainly in the next video I aimed to do was a demonstration of its operating. But again, we shall see how it goes with that, and I might make a video showing some of the buildings being put together possibly. So yeah, that's it for the moment. Thanks for watching.